morning and welcome to the Baler Bulletin. My name is Carter Campbell.
And I'm Jenna Ellis.
Mae Carol Jemison is an American engineer, physician, and former NASA astronaut. She became the first black woman to travel into space when she served as a mission specialist aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour. Jemison joined NASA's astronaut corps in 1987 and was selected to serve for the STS-47 mission, during which she orbited the Earth for nearly 8 days in 1992.
Never be limited by other people's limited imaginations. Mae Jemison.
Attention juniors, looking for an elective next year? Consider signing up for the Mexican American History this week during pre-scheduling. Among the questions that the course examines are: what inspired Luis Valdez to write the play Zoot Suit? What does it mean to say you are Chicano? Who wrote the poem Yo Soy Joaquin? Why did thousands of high school students walk out of their East Los Angeles high schools in 1968? Find out the answers to these questions and more by signing up for Mexican American History, Mr. Perez, room 363s. Listen to Senior Ariana Jimenez explain why you should.
Hi, my name is Ariana Jimenez, and I am a senior, and I took Mexican American history last year because as a Chicana, it is very important for me to learn about my heritage. And whether you are Mexican American or not, this class is very important. Mexican American history is vital to our nation's history, so I deeply encourage you to sign up and take this class.
Seniors, need assistance completing your FAFSA or California DREAM Act? Sign up for today's Hey Baler support time. Under financial aid assistance, if you still need to complete your FAFSA or California DREAM Act. Hollister High's CalSOAP advisors are here to help.
Joke break. What do you call a nose with no body?
I don't know.
Nobody knows.
Okay, I guess that means it's weather time. Anyways, today we started off low with a low of 34, and we're ending it off with a high of 60. Tomorrow we're having a low of 36, high of 63. Thursday having a low of 46 and high of 64. Break having an average of 49, and lunch having an average of 53. Back to you guys.
What do Kristen Bell, Anthony Hopkins, Jessica Alba, and Timothy Chalamet have in common? They all studied theater before becoming movie stars. Follow in their footsteps and sign up to take drama next year.
San Benito Drama Department will be holding auditions for its upcoming spring musical. The auditions are open to any and all students at Hollister High School. This year's show is Rock of the Ages High School Edition. If you expect last year's very popular The Addams Family, do not miss your chance to audition. Auditions will be this Wednesday, February 1st, and Thursday, February 2nd, in the auditorium starting at 3:30 p.m. Auditions only need to attend one day and should bring a prepared piece of music as well as shoes and clothing to dance in.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And remember,
Go Balers!